So if you're telling me, if you're asking me, should you come to Dubai, I won't tell you yes, you should come to Dubai, and I won't tell you no, you should not come to Dubai. The thing is this: if you have, let's say, no. Hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Amilo, and welcome back to another episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Before we go to what brings us today, I want to inform you that the embassy is closing from the 9th, temporary, from 9 of March to 15th of March. So basically, the embassy, for those of you that is going there for anything, you are going there to renew your passport or to take your passport or anything, you have to go after 15. That will be from 16, 17, 18, because from 9 the embassy is closing for temporary. From 9 it will close till 15th of March. So from 16th they will start operating again. So but if you have anything that you want to do urgently, you can also mail them in their email. The email is down at my description box, or you can see it on the screen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today's video I want to answer questions that have been asked by so many of you that are watching me. So I want to answer the question publicly so that anybody that is watching me can also get the message. Now the question is that many people chat me privately on WhatsApp and they want to tell me that they want to come to Dubai, but people are discouraging them. They want to come to Dubai, but they feel like there's a lot of negativity that people are talking about Dubai, So people are asking me, Chris, is it advisable for me to come to Dubai? And again, if I come to Dubai, will I get a good job? Will I get a better job? Now, I will say this again. This is the question that gets you people in trouble. Understand? I remember when people always ask me that kind of question, especially when I'm sponsoring your visa, I will let you know that I cannot convince you to come to Dubai. I have to only tell you what happens in Dubai, then you have to make the decision yourself. You understand? So if you're telling me, if you're asking me, should you come to Dubai, I won't tell you yes, you should come to Dubai, and I won't tell you no, you should not come to Dubai. The thing is this: if you have, let's see, I've said this several times, but I'm keep repeating it because a lot of us, I'm getting new people on my channel, so I keep repeating all these things. If you have a tangible business you are doing in Nigeria that is earning you good money and is moving very well, then you shouldn't think of coming to Nigeria, because you cannot read the chances of starting afresh. If you are coming to Dubai, just know that you are coming to become a newborn baby. You are coming to start from scratch, from afresh. You are coming to be a newborn baby. Understand? So do not expect much, do not expect less. But depending on how your grace leads you, depending on how your grace leads you, and depending on the grace, on how your grace, where your grace led you to, the kind of agency you badge into, that is another thing. So, but I will tell you this and this: if it's job, there is job in Dubai. If it's opportunity, there is opportunity in Dubai. If it's career, there's careers in Dubai. But you need patience. All these things, you can never achieve it in Dubai until you have patience. Dubai will give you two hands. Be patient and gain. And if you want to run fast and furious, then you will make mistakes. And before you will think of coming back to correct your mistake, it's already too late. You are going to lose confidence. You are going to lose confidence in yourself. You are going to feel like you can never do it again. So the best thing is for you to exercise patience and build yourself. Now, I told you guys that I'm going to talk about building a career. I'm supposed to talk about that in this video, but I want to use this video to start that particular topic. So on my next video, I will going to teach you on how to build your career in UAE, how to build your career from ordinary labor to standard that you want. You know, all of us know that there's particular standard we want to be in life. It is in your hand to build it up. Understand? Rude boy say, go build them yourself. Don't think that you can take from what another person has built. No, you will build it yourself. So if you want to be as successful as all these people that you are looking at in this UAE that are doing well, if you want to be like them, then you have to exercise that same patience they have. See, let me tell you, anybody that you see in UAE that is doing well has spent at least 10 years in this country. Anybody that you see that is doing very well, ask the person, how many years have you been in this UAE? He will tell you, I'm more than 10 years. Or they will just tell you, I'm from, let's just say 11 years up, 10 years upward. Okay, what did they do within that period of 1 year? You know, and the most thing that you people are making, you are misconcepting some things. You came UAE, you are just 1 year in the UAE, and you want to be like that person that has spent 10 years. You want to immediately become like that person that spent 10 years. This thing has dealt with so many persons, because they will come, you know, they will start to make friends. It's not bad to make friends, so it is not bad to make friends. Understand? You will start to make friends. Before you know, they will, maybe he's working as cleaner, so the friend that he made, maybe the person is maybe, let's just say safety let's say safety officer. He's a safety officer. Now the person will start telling him, based on say he's a safety officer and has experience, but the person maybe has spent more than 6 to 7 years in this country, but tell him that, come on, that job that you are doing, nothing did here. I'm safety officer, who can help you, you will get job, blah blah blah. Before you know, they have started to make the person to look down on his work. Understand? Thinking that the one that he's doing is not enough. Understand? That is where problems start from. And before you know, the person will start causing problems in his company, and before you know, he has already made a lot of mistake, and basically he might go back to Nigeria, get banned or something like that. That is always the end of the story. So the best thing that you have to do is, first of all, ask yourself, this person that is doing like this, how many years have he spent in this country? If the person has spent 4 years, what did he do when he was 1 year? When he came to this country the first time? The second year, what did he do? The third year, what did he do? Ask him all those questions. There's no offense in asking. Ask questions, and that particular question will help you. If you see anybody that is doing well in UAE, ask them question. What did they do the first year they come in this UAE? What did they do the second year they come in this UAE? The third year, the fourth year, the fifth year, the sixth year? What did they do? How did they make it to this particular stage? They will surely tell you. They will tell you. So stop looking at to be like them immediately. Start from that scratch which they started from. Nobody in this UAE come and just climb up and become, you know, start from somewhere. That is the message I have today. My next video, I'm going to drop the list of what I call it, the list of courses that you can do to upgrade your career. There's a lot of courses in UAE. There's a lot of courses there's a lot of trainings that you can do that will help your career. As I am like this, I've done so many courses, I have done so many professions. As I am like this, I will also tell you what I am. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Christian Miller, and this is Life in Dubai. If you never subscribe. If you know the like my video. If you know the comment. If you know the share. This is Life in Dubai, and here is where you get every information that you need to be clarified about that has to do with your job, your contract, your everything, your salary, whatever. If you want to make a query concerning your company, or you have any issue, call the Ministry of Labor. The number is 80060 860. That is the number if you want to make inquiry. Do not call them and say you want to open file. Ask them questions concerning whatever problem you are questioning. Definitely they will give you an answer. My name is Christian Miller and this is Life in Dubai.